In the spirit of YouTube Shorts, guys, we got a 2014 Polaris RZR with a Memphis audio head unit, a media player. There it is. We had to custom make this housing for it out of ABS plastic. I don't know if you'd call it a pod or a housing or whatever you'd call it. This GPS takes up the space where we would mount it. So does this CB and intercom radio. So we had to go with something like this. There's another shot of it there. We've got some waterproof speakers in the back, just like the deck. That's also waterproof. These are some bullet type housing speakers, Memphis Audio again. Very good sounding speaker. 4 5.25-inch speaker pods there. There's another shot of them. Now under the dash, we've got the amplifier right up under there, so it's nice and tucked away. Anyway, comment whether or not you like these short videos, guys, if you're even interested in stuff like this. And there's a good shot of it. And we'll see you on the next one.